Oh my god, we're that close to Pit A?
No, we could have made it to Pit A.
Yeah.
We didn't have anyone here though. Do we have to... Is it 45 now?
Full speed.
Holy shit.
Woo! Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Dude, these are freaking huge.